What's up guys, Seb here from Woofio, and in today's video I'm showing you all of the ways you can monetize your Facebook page in 2022, and the majority of these are going to be done via Facebook itself, so let's jump right into the video. Alright, so to jump right into it, the first thing you want to do is actually head over to Google and type in Creator Studio. From here, you just want to click on the first link, business.facebook.com/Creator Studio. Of course, you want to go ahead and sign in. Once you've signed in, make sure you're on the Facebook tab and then click on monetization. Now from here, you'll have a few options. It's recently changed their interface, so this is what it currently looks like. And if you actually click on view page eligibility, you can actually see what your page is actually eligible for. So here we've got the instant articles. The majority of people are eligible for this one. And we've got paid online events. And then, so I'm currently in review. And when we click on this arrow down here, you can see all of the rest of the other ways you can monetize via Facebook. You've got in-stream video ads on demand. You've got subscriptions, stars, in-stream ads for live, and then we have a few more. So I'm actually going to show you the requirements for these. So if we actually go back to the main monetization page and we scroll down, right here you can see you've got the paid online events. So this is when you create a paid online event. You can see the number of purchases and all of that sort of stuff. So you kind of get a bit more statistics around it. Then here you got all of your other key factors. So in-stream ads for on-demand video. You can see the requirements for this. You need 10,000 followers and 600 total eligible minutes in the last 60 days. And you need 5 active videos on your page. So requirements for that isn't too bad. Then we have the subscriptions. This is currently invite only, so we can go ahead and skip that. We've got the Meta Brand Collab Manager. So the eligibility for this one is very low, but I think you do need to be in the US to have this one active. You need 100 followers, 15,000 post engagements, or 180,000 minutes viewed. Or alternatively to that, you need 30,000 1-minute views of 3-minute videos in the last 60 days. Now, when it comes to all of these views, you cannot use paid ads to actually get these views. It all needs to be organic because paid content doesn't actually count towards this. Then you also have your stars. This is also on invite only, and this is only for live streams, I do believe. And you've got the instant articles, which everyone can pretty much be eligible for that. So those are the main ways that you can have your monetization via Facebook and start getting paid. They're also releasing the Instagram or Facebook Reels monetization bonus. We've just made a video on that, so you can click up here or up here to go ahead and view that. And then finally, we have a final way you can monetize on Facebook, and that's by using Woofio. Create yourself a free 14-day account. What you can actually do is head over to the sales section and you can create some products. For example, if you sell a gym pass, you could go ahead and create a product. This could be a subscription, it could be a digital workout or a nutrition plan. Once you've created this product, then you can just go over to the funnels. You can create a brand new funnel. We'll just open the resistance band training. And then what you actually want to do is just create an order form just like this. You can link your product in here. So here we've got the resistance band workout, £50. And then we're going to add our payment method. We'll just have it as a test mode for now. And then if you actually go ahead and click on the view link here, you can now see we've got an order form, and then you can add all of your products in here. People can just put in all of their information and then buy your products, and then you can just advertise that on your Facebook page or wherever you want. So I hope this video did help you out. If it did, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you in the next video.